Please, where's your face mask?
God have mercy upon us.
Shall we? Well, you no get juice.
You be mumu.
You no get juice. Ah, sister, you cannot enter room. Where's your face mask?
Oh, my sister, I forget it. Oh, no, sorry. Next time. Oh, thank you.
You can't go in peace. But I said.
How much are selling it?
500 naira for one.
200? My sister, this thing is too expensive now. So they're selling 100 naira, selling 500. No, my sister, I didn't write.
Sister, please don't insult me. I'm not forcing you to buy. If you know you can't buy, take the bike now. 1,000 naira and go and buy.
What a man saw, shall we? Swear.
Body on check.